If you want to see how I achieved this look and how I got here, watch the full video. It is definitely going to be a journey and a little bit of maybe trial and error, but just stay tuned, stick it out with me. I'm not a professional, but at the end, it's going to give what it needs to give, okay? So stay tuned, watch the video, and like and subscribe and be kind in the comments, okay? Because why not? Okay, y'all are in for somewhat of a treat today because I'm doing a makeup tutorial. Now, full disclaimer, this is not your average makeup tutorial. Why? Because I'm still in the learning process. So I might not be able to give y'all a lot of tips and tricks. If you're a beginner like me, I wouldn't say I'm a beginner because I've been doing my makeup for a long time, but I don't do it on a regular basis to be able to like go through step by step what I do and why I do it that way. It's kind of like trust the process, just wait and see type deal. It's gonna start off a little rocky, but by the end I'm gonna be there type shit. So if you're interested in that, tune in. It's gonna be quite a journey. It's going to take me a while, so there will be several cuts where I do something, come back, do something off camera, come back, just because I don't want to call it trial and error, but it is going to be a journey, okay? So just sit back, relax, and trust the process, because that's literally what I'm going to do type shit. I'm going to trust the process and see what happens, you know what I'm saying? But at the end, it's going to give what it's supposed to give at the end, okay? All right. Okay, remember when I said trust the process? Now, let me tell you something. The eyebrows gonna always give what they need to give. That's one thing I can do right, okay? That is one thing I can do right to my liking. But the eyebrows gonna get what they need to give. I be getting compliments on my eyebrows, so. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I have concealer on my lids. I know that people say that you should use, I can't remember what it's called, but there's something else you should use for your lids. But some people still use concealer, and that's what I'm gonna do. So you want to make sure your skin is moisturized. So I went in with some moisturizer, moisturized my face, moisturizing my lips because they're getting a little crusty. And what I'm gonna do is my eyelids off camera really quick, because honestly there is no method to my madness. And again, it's a trust the process type thing. I'm using my Juvia's Place eye palette. Shoot, this one. So I'll probably do one off camera really quick, and if it doesn't take me long and I quickly achieve the look that I want to get without having to do too much manipulation, then I'll come on here and record the second half of me doing the other eyelids. So wish me luck. Okay, so one eye is done. I just want to say again, trust the process. It did take me a little bit longer than I would have wanted to do one side, so I'm going to go off camera and finish the other side because it took too long. It took too long. Maybe I'll do a tutorial sometime in the future, far future, of just me doing the lids, but this is what I have. I think the lash looks a little weird though. But anyways, let me finish the other eye and come back, and hopefully once I put the other lash on, it'll balance out. Okay, both eyes are done. So I'm gonna show y'all what I used. So I use this color for the outer corner of the eye and kind of like around above the lid. And then for the actual lid, I use this center color, this color, and this like in the corner and midway right there. And then on top of that, I used this color. It's like a shimmery pink, but kind of, it has gold in it. So kind of like the pink color, but with rose gold mixed in with it. I use that. And then, oh, as far as the purple, I just kind of blended it out over the lid, right? And I think that was it. That was it for that. And then of course I put the lashes on. Now to me, looking on the phone, the lashes don't look the same, but they came out the same pack. Anyways, this is Juvia's Place. Like, one of my eyes look bigger than the other. It must be how I got the lash on. It's gotta be, where's my head lopsided? I don't know. It's something weird about the lashes that's making one of my eyes look bigger than the other. Thank goodness I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm staying in the house. But anyways, I'm going to go in with the rest of my stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the concealer. It looked like I got the Forest Whitaker going on with one eye being bigger than the other. That is super frustrating. That is super frustrating. I'm gonna have to look back at the video after I'm done to see if one eye actually is bigger than the other, because that's insane. I don't know. Like, when I look in the mirror, I don't know. I don't know what it could be. Which one is it? This one looks smaller. Wait, this one looks bigger. This one looks smaller. You know what it is? I used eyeliner at the lid and I kind of drew a wing, but then I had to take one of the lashes off. I had to take this lash off and redo it. So it may have something to do with that. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to go in with Born This Way. I'm going to do, put some under my eyes, my nose right here, a little around my lips because I have the discoloration like in the corners where it's darker for some reason. So I'm gonna go in, oh my goodness, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I got the concealer on my sweater, and I'll be back after I put everything where it's supposed to be. Okay, so this is another part where I'm really gonna have to trust the process because I put everything where I want it to be, right? But when it comes to blending out, I don't know. We're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so let's go ahead and start blending. All right, y'all, I told y'all to have faith. I told y'all it would come together, right? So now that this has been sitting for a while, I'm just gonna press it in. I told y'all it would come together. You just gotta trust the process. Just gotta trust the process. Oh, I almost forgot my under eye. I do put eyeliner on the under eye. So I'm not done. I'll be back. All right. Last step is gonna go in with my setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. I feel it taking off my lash. Use my little handy dandy fan. Almost done. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So when I say trust the process, this is what I mean. I am done. I think it looks good. I would go out like this. Again, keep it cute in the comments because I'm not a professional. Although I'm not brand new at doing makeup, I've been doing makeup for years. I don't do it on an everyday basis. I only do my makeup if I'm going out somewhere. I'm going on a date with my husband. I'm going out to brunch with my girls. So not very often at all. I don't go anywhere really in the wintertime. So the few months in the summertime is when I'm really doing my makeup. So don't be ugly in the comments. I will get better with time. And that's the purpose of me starting this YouTube channel and showing you guys my process of doing makeup because I'm going to practice, and whatever feedback or recommendations that you guys have, you can put them in the comments and then I can go from there and hopefully that will help me. This lash is really driving me crazy because it's making me look like I got the Forest Whitaker one eye smaller than the other going on, and really is the lash. I don't know. I guess I put it on weird. But anyways, okay, so I know I said that I would go out like this, but I would definitely do something different with the lash. These are the lashes that you just put on top of your regular lash. The lashes that I have been using lately are the ones that you place under, and those ones work a lot better, and then I don't have the issue of it weighing my lash down and making it look like one eye is bigger than the other. So yes, I would go out like this, but with different lashes. I wouldn't do this lash because it just looks crazy. I thought it would just be faster and easier for video purposes, but truth be told, it's making me look crazy. But anyways, when I say trust the process, literally this is what I mean, because it does take me a while to get the makeup to the desired look that I'm going for. I want you guys to follow my journey, and I want to be able to inspire other women that are getting into the makeup game and want to be a content creator or just want to get better with their makeup. Although I don't have a lot of tips right now to share, they will come. I'm going to get better with time. And hopefully the experienced makeup girlies will leave some nice recommendations in the comments, and that will help as well. Next time I'm going to try to go like a little bit slower, step by step, show you guys the products that I'm using. This time I kind of just wanted to push a video out there, get it out of the way. This is my first makeup tutorial video, and I wouldn't even call it a tutorial, makeup video. So I kind of just wanted to go ahead and record something. And then, with repetition, things get easier. You learn from your mistakes. You figure out, trial and error, whatever. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. So I hope that you like it. Um, like I said, trust in the process. It will all come together eventually. It may take a little bit time for you to get the desired look that you're looking for, but if you're patient, I promise it will come to you. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. I am building this YouTube channel. It won't just be about makeup, it'll be other things too. You can go and look at my other videos as well. But please subscribe, be on this journey with me, give me feedback, give me advice, help me get better. And in return, hopefully I'm inspiring you guys also on your makeup journey. Anyways, peace, love y'all, have a good day.